In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get digital signatures with Dropbox Sign. Whether you're managing contracts or facilitating agreements, securing signatures digitally can streamline your process significantly. So let's dive in and see how you can make the most of this tool in just 5 minutes. To start with, open your browser and type Dropbox Sign into your preferred search engine. Once you've navigated to the Dropbox Sign website, you'll need to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to take a few moments to set one up by following the easy registration process. For those of you who already have an account, enter your credentials, and you'll be right where you need to be. After logging in, direct your attention to the files you have, as you'll need to select the one that requires a signature. This could be a contract, a formal agreement, or any document that needs to be digitally signed. If your document is not already uploaded, ensure you do so, as this is crucial for moving on to the next step. Next, locate and click on the Dropbox Sign option. This action will open the editor, an essential tool where the magic of digital signatures happens. It's here you can start customizing your document for signatures, so make sure you double-check that the document and its contents are final before proceeding. Once you've opened the editor, it's time to specify who will be signing the document. At this stage, you'll need to add the names and email addresses of the signers. Make sure to enter these details accurately, as any errors could result in delays or confusion. This step is key to ensuring that each person involved receives their part of the document correctly. Now comes the point where you actually place the signer fields on the document. These fields are where the signees will add their e-signatures, as well as any other necessary information like dates. Take a moment to position these fields correctly, considering who signs where and which fields belong to which signer. Having this set up correctly ensures a smooth signing process for everyone involved. With everything in place, you are ready to send out your signature request. Simply click on Send, and your document will be off to the signers. They will receive an email notification with a link, guiding them to digitally sign the document. Remember to let all parties involved know to check their email and to complete the signature promptly to avoid any holdup in your process. And there you have it, a straightforward method to obtain digital signatures using Dropbox Sign effortlessly. This process is not only time efficient, but also adds an extra layer of security and convenience to document management. Thank you for joining today, and I hope you find this guide to be a valuable addition to your workflow.